Hi, in this movie I would like to show you how to connect the expansion cards to our Nexo system. The expansion cards are basically devices that improve the functionality of the entire system. For instance, we can connect a video entry phone, GSM module or internet card so the user can decide what kind of functionality he expects from the system. To do that, first we have to turn the power supply from the main unit. This is very important because we cannot connect the expansion cards while the main unit is powered. So I'm plugging out the battery pack and turning off the entire power supply. To connect this card, this is a buffer card. It is very important because this card protects the entire interface of the expansion cards. It is necessary to connect, and this is the first card that should be connected to the main unit. To connect it, we're going to use communication tape. It's delivered with the main unit. We're plugging the communication tape into the buffer card when it says main unit, and the other side of the communication tape we are connecting to the bus connector, which is on the upper left side of the main unit. We're doing it like this. Next step is to plug the needle connector on the side of the buffer card. And if you would like to add some more functionality to our system, we can do that. For instance, we can connect a GSM module just like that. Then the needle connector on the side. And of course, the token bus module and, for instance, a LAN card module. If there's necessary to build another row of the cards, we can also use another way to connect them. We can connect them through a special connector. So we are putting this connector on the side and we are plugging it to the buffer card where it says Expander 1, AXP1. And right now we have a second row of our expansion cards, a needle connector and, for instance, the open collector output cards. So right now we got two different rows of the expansion cards connected to the main unit. Right now we have to find those cards and this functionality in our system. To do that, we're turning on the power supply. We're turning the power on and the battery pack once again. We have to wait until the LCD panel is turned on, and we have to log as a service mode to our main unit. We have to wait for a second. As you can see right now, the touch panel is downloading all the necessary information from the main unit, and it's done. Okay, right now we're clicking the system menu, service, and the passwords 1, 2, 3, 4, enter, and the administration password 5, 6, 7, 8, enter. We are right now in a service menu. We have to press the expansion cards icon over here, and we got a bar which says find the expansion cards. Okay, we're clicking on it. We're waiting. And voila, we got 5 different expansion cards. As you can see, there are 4 over here, and actually there are 5 connected to the main unit. But the buffer card is the card without any kind of functionality that user can use. It's only a protection card, so it's not seen on the interface over here on the touch screen. Only the cards that are improving the functionality to the systems are listed here below. Thank you very much.